In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change ringtone on iPhone XR to a song. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a custom song to be your ringtone on your iPhone XR. So this is going to allow you to use any MP3 file or any song file that you have as a custom ringtone on your iPhone XR. So in order to do this, you will need a specific application, GarageBand. So all that you have to do is go into the App Store and look for GarageBand. You can download this for free. Once you download GarageBand, you will be able to set up your file in a format that can be read and used by your iPhone. So inside of GarageBand, you will have to go into the timeline. Usually you will be tapping this button right here. Even though the icon might be different, you simply have to go into your timeline. Usually the icon is just going to be a bunch of rectangles together. This takes you into the timeline. So tap this button first and access the timeline. Inside of here, you will need to bring your song inside of the timeline. So to do this, tap on this little icon at the top and then browse through the files on your device. You can also browse through files on iTunes and other options, but the one that I recommend is going to be inside of default files. So you drag and drop this MP3 or .wav file inside of the timeline. So basically, you are going to be importing the song into the editor on the timeline. Once you drag it here, you will see it like this. Now you can configure it however you prefer. If there is a specific part of the song that you want to use, you will be able to set the end and the start accordingly. So for example, you can highlight this part here and then only this part of the song will be used. Alternatively, you can get more, less, however you prefer. Simply cut the song by tapping on the borders and then dragging them inside or outside. And as long as you control the song and you have it good to go on the timeline, you just have to tap this icon at the top left to see and manage your songs. So tap in there and you will find My Songs. So once the timeline is done and you are ready to use this as your ringtone, tap the icon at the top left and you will see your song here. So just tap and hold on it. And then if you see a bunch of options, you are looking for share. Alternatively, if you see these buttons at the bottom, you just have to tap this bottom left one to share the song. And when you choose share, the middle option is going to be ringtone. So finally, when you choose ringtone, it is going to be added into the list of ringtones on your iOS device. So go to settings, sounds and haptics, ringtone, and finally you will find the custom GarageBand ringtone that you have made. Just scroll down from the list and you will be able to find it available here. I hope I was able to help you on how to change ringtone on iPhone XR to a song. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.